Hello everyone, this is Jake, here to teach you on how to use the Blazing Recruiter add-on to be as effective and efficient as possible in your time with Blazing Boost. So, once you've installed the add-on and you're in game, you're going to notice this green dot up here next to the map. You're going to right-click it. So now we're in the process of setting up the add-on. So the first thing you're going to look at is you're going to see these two numbers right here, a 60 and a 60. Now yours is going to show a 1 on the left, and if you'll read the text right above, it says you change the values by scrolling your mouse wheel up or down. So what you're going to do is you're going to hover over this left number, which is going to be a 1, and you're going to scroll your mouse wheel up until it's a 60, because we're always looking for 60s when we're finding boosters for Blazing Boost. Okay, so now you need to set up the rest of the add-on, and the first thing we're going to look at is messages. So you have two messages that you have to set up. This is your introductory message, and this one is your reply message. So as you can see in this introductory message, it'll be blank in the beginning. You're going to type in your message, and then you're going to click save. And that's all you have to do to set up your introductory message. Now, whenever the add-on is looking for people, this is the message it'll send to them initially to get you both introduced. So obviously, we want to try to automate this process as much as possible. It saves you time, opens you up to, do other things for the business. So you're going to set up your reply message now. And again, this is going to be blank to begin with. We're going to type in our message. Usually I go with the same thing. And you got to make sure that your Discord tag is in it somewhere, because they got to have a way to contact you. Okay, so important things to know about this secondary message is it'll show up 15 seconds after a person messages you. So this helps us avoid seeming like a bot. So if you're worried about that, that's already taken care of. So once you've got the message typed in here, you're going to click OK and save. So now you're completely done with the messages part of this setup. You're good to go with that. You don't have to worry about it anymore. So secondly, now when it comes to filters, we have to click the filters tab right up here, and you'll notice I have two options here. Go ahead and ignore this, and we're going to make a new one, and I'll show you guys how to get that set up. So we have two options. We can ignore certain races, or we can ignore certain classes. Now let's say that you're looking for a mage. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to checkmark the druid, hunter, paladin, priest, rogue, shaman, and so forth, which are all the classes that you don't want to be looking for, and you'll see the only one left unchecked is the mage. We're going to name this Mage Finder 2, and that's all you have to type in here to get it set up. Now you're going to click the Save button, and Mage Finder 2 is right here, and you're going to left click it. Now when it's green, this is the specific filter that's going to be used when you enable your filters for your add-on search. So now that that's all set up, you're good to go for filters, and we'll open the add-ons interface back up again, and you'll see these two options here. So we want to automate the system as much as possible to be as efficient as you can be, and you're going to always want this check marked. It's the auto message. And then if you're looking for specific classes, you're going to always want to have the enable filters check marked. Alright, so that takes care of messages, that takes care of filters, and we've taken care of our level ranges. Now the only thing we have to do is get the add-on to start finding people, which is very, very simple. All you have to do is click this button, Start Scan, or you can click this play button here, and as you can see, it's found 2 mages on the server for us to contact. And that's it. You are completely good to go. You've got your statistics tab here. As you can see, we've sent 54 messages today and done 5 searches. So if you're ever curious about how you're performing, or you need to report to Jerry, then that's how you do it. You just take a screenshot of this. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns regarding the add-on, just let me know and we'll get it taken care of. All right? Good luck, guys. Bye.